You see, wealth eludes most people because they only dream of enjoying the destination, but not the journey itself. They're focused on the events, they're focused on the outcomes while not enjoying the process, while not respecting the process. They are preoccupied with what's to come while not paying much regard to the process and the journey. But the truth is, wealth is forged by process and not by events. Now, what do we mean by that? What is process and what is event? Well, there's a stark difference between the process mindset and the event mindset. The process mindset is about understanding that you have to grind it out, knowing that you have to do the work to get to the destination. And you have to enjoy what you do rather than thinking of the journey as a burden that you need to get through. You must enjoy it. Think of someone great like Michael Jordan. Do you think he enjoyed basketball and that's why he became great at it and that's why he actually made so much money from it? Or do you think he just happened to play basketball and somehow he became great at it and somehow he ended up making a lot of money? Well, we know the answer. He enjoyed the journey. He enjoyed playing the game, and that's why he became one of the greatest ever, and that's why he has such massive wealth today. So you have to understand that whatever business you pick, it will be hard. It will involve a lot of hardships and struggle and pain. But if you don't have the passion for it, if you don't have the joy for it, you will never persevere. You will never enjoy the journey. You will never enjoy the process. And that will be the death of that business. On the other hand, most people. So unfortunately, very few people really live in the process mindset. Most people live on the event mindset. The event mindset is about seeking opportunities. Every day I see examples. I see emails of people sending me emails saying, hey, I'm thinking of starting this business or that business, an e-commerce business or a coaching business or a consulting business or info product business or a service business. And a few days later, they want to change it, or they're thinking, hey, can I do all of these or both of these or three of these or four of these? They're seeking opportunities. They have the shortcut mindset. They're hoping that somehow the opportunity is the answer itself. They're hoping that there is an opportunity out there that is easier and faster to get to wealth than they really want to undertake. So maybe let's say they are working on their info product business and suddenly they come across a day trading opportunity and they start going after that. Or maybe they come across another opportunity where they can start doing e-commerce. They think that's easier, so they start going after that. That is the event mindset that a lot of people fall prey to. That's the lottery mindset. Assuming that there is a golden opportunity out there, you just need to find the opportunity. You're hoping that one of the stocks you own in your investment portfolio will have a meteoric rise and you'll be rich one day, or your hedge fund or mutual fund will make you wealthy, or there'll be some magical event that will make you rich. That is the event mindset, the lottery mindset, the shortcut mindset that most people fall prey for. But the truth is that if you try to skip the process, if you try to skip the journey, there will be no events. The events of wealth are always preceded by the process, the journey itself. The process includes a lot of hard work and setbacks and failures and defeats and challenges and all the things you need to undertake. And the thing you need to understand is that you cannot outsource the process, the road trip. You have to go through the process. You have to go through the process, and that will lead to the event. That means you have to grind it out. That means you have to spend the time on building the expertise. Anyone who's promising you the riches by saying, hey, learn my quick day trading formula and within 2 days you'll be making money, you know what the truth is, right? Or someone saying, hey, learn my quick formula on building this e-commerce business and tomorrow you will be making $100,000 next month. Well, you know the truth. It's not the truth. The process is what will lead you to the event. The process gives you the wisdom, the growth, the strength. The process is the path you must walk to get to wealth. So always remember, wealth is forged by process, not by events. There's this misconception out there that somehow you can get lucky, but it's process that actually creates luck. Process creates events that the outside world might see as luck. Luck is a product of the process, of the hard work that you're putting in, and you have to stick with the process. You have to go through the roadmap. You have to drive that journey, and that will improve your luck. Luck is not just made in isolation somehow or in some way, shape, or form. It just appears in your life. That's not how luck works. So remember, if you are trying to build great wealth, you always have to think about the process and not just about the event. Because as soon as you fall prey to the event mindset, the luck mindset, the lottery mindset, you will constantly be searching for that luck event, the process, the lottery event or whatever it might be, and you will never surrender to the path, the road, the process itself, which is crucial to building wealth. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want this full mind map of great ideas from this book, Millionaire Fastlane, just head on over to 2000books.com/summary. And I also want to let you know the 10x entrepreneurship course, where I have summarized 40 of the greatest books on entrepreneurship. That's going to open enrollment next week on January 29th, Tuesday. And if you want to get a coupon for it, just head on over to 2000books.com/biz. That's it, /biz, and you will get the coupon right there. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye-bye.